My first job when I left the degree was as a copywriter for a marketing agency.
I work at the Tab as a junior entertainment writer.
I have been working in the publishing industry.
I am a social media executive as well as an author.
It's a really fun job.
And then a second promotion to head of the agency.
What I learned from the course was how to write engaging stories.
The entire process of having the book from thought to execution.
Creative aspect that the MA and the degree gave me meant that I could fast track through that company.
All the other sort of skills that you learn within the publishing sector really have helped me with social media management.
Come with no ego, but also with all the curiosity that you can learn things you don't know. That's how we grow.